So you just got your brand new PCBros Gaming PC and you're so excited to set it up. And I'm gonna show you step by step on what you should do from unboxing to setting up and making sure everything is correct. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So when you get your PCBros PC, it'll come extremely nicely packaged, but you wanna make sure you remove the PC very carefully. As you can see with the fragile stickers that we usually put on every single side, just so the UPS driver will know to be extra careful with this package. Now we also use a lot of tape as well. So I would recommend a box cutter, and we are going to take the box cutter and cut the tape on the side and down the middle. And I would recommend keeping the box in as great a shape as you can in case you need to ship it back for whatever reason, because these boxes are not cheap if you wanted to buy one yourself. And the same goes for all the shipping material inside as well, like all the bubble wrap that we'll get to in a second. So it looks like we still got some tape right here. And you will notice there's quite a bit of bubble wrap. Again, you want to kind of just keep that to the side until you really know that the PC is all good and you're not going to be shipping it back. But once you open the box, your PC is going to be laying flat, similar to this, with bubble wrap all around it, protecting the sides. What I would recommend doing to save the box and to save the bubble wrap is we're just going to grab on both sides here, pulling it out. And if you need to, you can take a little bubble wrap out of the sides. Usually can get it without it. So this gives you a good idea on how much bubble wrap we actually use. So take the box and put it to the side, and then we're going to take the case box right next to it. We're going to need a similar delicate process when opening the case box too, where we cut the tape on the sides and down the middle in case we need this case box again. And usually in the case box is where we put all the accessories too. So one of the first things that you'll notice in the case box is this accessory bag. It'll usually come with any of the motherboard accessories, like the Wi-Fi adapter, the power cable, business card, a pen, and a brochure on the step-by-step process that usually helps on the setup process as well. But this video will be a little bit more in depth. So how you unbox the PC is really important. You want to take off the flaps and flip the PC over carefully with all the flaps facing out, making sure the handles aren't in the way. We will pull straight up, and that is the safest way to make sure your PC won't move around too much. Now be careful on some of these plastic protection bags because they tend to hold a lot of static. So I recommend getting some sort of metal grounding. I think sometimes a screwdriver works to do that before completely removing the plastic. We will be keeping the foam and all of the plastic as well. So now the PC is free from its chains and we're just about ready to plug it up, but there's one more thing that you could probably see from this angle right here, and that is the foam in the case that is protecting the graphics card and all the other parts from shaking around and shipping. So we want to make sure we remove this before plugging it in. There are two screws you can usually remove with your hands, but I believe they're Philip on the side. These two screws just need to be placed to the side as we remove this side panel, and then we carefully remove this packaging by wiggling it out. Now if we take a closer look, depending on the PC that you had and how the parts work together, you can see there's a huge gap in between the GPU here. So what the PCBro employee has done is they took some leftover foam and stacked it so this would not wiggle. A very smart way to make sure your GPU doesn't break off because it is extremely fragile. So you also want to remove this because the fans won't spin. One last note before plugging it in, it's also important to check all of the parts, make sure nothing's broken or unplugged or just obviously doesn't look right, or if the glass is shattered or broken. We do have customer support, full-time customer support in store that helps with any issues that happen in shipping. You do have that 1-year warranty on the staples and usually some sort of warranty on all the other PCs. If something is broken or unplugged or doesn't look right, don't panic and just message our customer support. They are so wonderful and would be happy to help. But this PC looks great, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you what to do there. All right, so this is one of the most important parts to make sure that your PC is going to work properly, we need to make sure we use the power plug that came with your PC right here, and any display cables being used in the graphics card and not the motherboard. So the graphics card is usually going to have displays here that are horizontal, so you want to make sure you use those. And then you'll usually have about 2 USB things, one for the keyboard and mouse, that'll go here in the motherboard. And if you have it, Ethernet is going to be your best option, but if you have a Wi-Fi adapter, those will usually go in the back as well in the USB ports. Now, one of the benefits of buying a PCBros PC is it already has Windows installed, tested, and activated. So all you need to do is turn on the PC and set up your Windows account or log into your existing account, and you'll already be done. You don't need to worry about downloading Windows, and all the drivers will be done as well. And I'll show you how to check that here next. Now, depending on what PC you got, booting your PC might take a little bit of time, a couple minutes. So just give it time and make sure it goes through everything. You will see when it gets to the Windows login screen. That means you're ready to use the mouse and keyboard. But for now, I would just wait and keep your hands off and make sure it just does its thing. Right now, it's booting into Windows, it looks like. So if you see this, that's a great sign that your PC is working correctly and everything is good. Set up your account or log in, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, you are now just about done setting up your PC, but we want to check a few things to make sure all the parts are reading correctly, and then you got the correct things that you ordered. So we are going to take your mouse, go down to this bottom bar and right click. Click Task Manager, and then we're gonna just drag this to the middle. We're gonna go down to Performance, and this will list the parts that you have in your PC and how they're performing. Make sure that it reads the correct CPU that you ordered, the correct amount of RAM, and I'll show you an easier one for the storage here because this is usually just a long string of numbers, but usually the ending 3 is the one that you ordered, the 512 gig, and then make sure the GPU is correct as well. Another way to check the storage is go down to this File Explorer, click this PC, and then you'll see here this is a 512 gig NVMe. It won't have the full amount as advertised because Windows is installed on it now and it is allocated, so it's going to show up as a little less. That's just how it works, but this is a 512 gig NVMe. Now, one more thing you want to check, this is an NVIDIA GPU. We also sell the AMD GPUs quite a bit as well. So those require different graphic drivers for games. And we install all that for you before you get your PC. As you can see right here, this is the NVIDIA app, the graphics drivers for this GPU. If you have the AMD GPUs, it'll usually show on this tab down below. It'll be red, it'll be the Adrenaline software. Sometimes it'll show on a desktop app, but sometimes it won't. But yeah, this PC looks perfect. This is best case scenario here. But again, if you have any issues, we have a full-time customer support team that is extremely good. And we wanna make sure that you have the best gaming PC experience possible and don't have to stress about anything. This is a very quick setup for a pre-built. You don't have to do anything but plug, set up your account, and you're ready to game from this moment on. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments down below if you got a gaming PC this year for Christmas, and I'll see you all in the next one.